What do we mean by public consultation and engagement? Public consultation is a regulatory process by which the public's input on matters affecting them is sought. Its main goals are improving the efficiency, transparency, and public involvement in large-scale projects, laws, and policies. Public engagement is a term used to describe the involvement of specialists listening to, developing their understanding of, and interacting with non-specialists. Consultation and engagement is not about touching base with someone so that you can check off a box, meeting with someone so that you can tell them what you're going to do, or asking someone for their opinion, but failing to take their views into consideration. Public engagement is an important part of the democratic process, yet when we do it, we do not do it well. How can that be? Is it a lack of understanding of what constitutes engagement? A failure to define roles and responsibilities? Not having standardized policies and procedures? Or inadequate training? The answer is yes to all four questions. Adopting the engagement continuum is key to improving the effectiveness of consultation and engagement efforts in the federal government. The engagement continuum involves interacting with both internal and external stakeholders and partners. It involves listening to these internal and external groups, as well as providing them with feedback. The listening level focus is on who is saying what. During the informing level of engagement, the focus is on this is what will be happening. Consulting involves focusing on how things could be done. And finally, at the collaborating level of engagement, the focus is on identifying what needs to be done, why, and how. And at each level builds on the previous level.